While some other countries were hoarding medical supplies, you, sir, you ensured that vaccines and supplies reach even the smallest nations, including Trinidad and Tobago. Through your benevolence, you brought hope and calm where there was fear. I say again, this was more than diplomacy. This was an act of kinship. This was an act of shared humanity. This was an act of love. And this is one of the many reasons we are deeply proud to bestow upon you, Excellency, the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Our nation's highest honor tomorrow will be conferred. We are all threads in the same human fabric, bound not by circumstance, but by compassion, resilience, and the timeless truths of our shared heritage. So, Honorable Prime Minister, let us continue this journey together as partners, as brother and sister, and as proud children of a most enduring heritage in history. This ocean of unity, this is our legacy, this is our love. Thank you, sir, and may our people continue to strive forever. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Srimati Kamla Prasad Bisesa ji, for your words of inspiration and encouragement. As the Prime Minister exits the stage, the moment we have all been waiting for. Please join me in welcoming a visionary leader whose voice resonates across the globe, the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Shri Narendra Modi ji. आसन पर जाइए, please be seated.
Prime Minister Kamla Prasad Bisesa ji, members of the Cabinet, all the dignitaries present today, members of the Indian diaspora, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sitaram, Jai Shri Ram. Can you mark something? What a coincidence. It is a matter of immense pride and joy for me to be with all of you this evening. I thank Prime Minister Kamla ji for her wonderful hospitality and kind words. I arrived a short while ago in this beautiful land of hummingbirds. And my very first engagement is with the Indian community here. It feels completely natural. After all, we are part of one family. I thank you for your warmth and affection. Friends, I know that the journey of the Indian community in Trinidad and Tobago is about courage. The circumstances your ancestors faced could have broken even the strongest spirits, but they faced hardships with hope. They met problems with persistence. They left the Ganga and Yamuna behind, but carried the Ramayana in their hearts. They left their soil, but not their soul. They were not just migrants. They were messengers of a timeless civilization. Their contributions have benefited this country culturally, economically, and spiritually. Just look at the impact that you have all had on this beautiful nation. Kamala Prasad Bisesar ji, as the first women Prime Minister of this country, Her Excellency Christine Carla Kangalu ji, as the female president, late Sri Basdev Pandey, the son of a farmer, rose to become Prime Minister and a respected global leader. Eminent math scholar Rudranath Kapil Dev, music icon Sundar Popo, cricketing talent Darren Ganga, and Shivadas Sadhu, whose devotion built the temple in sea. The list of achievers goes on. You, the children of Girmitia, are not defined by struggle anymore. You are defined by your success, your service.